have to be there too because they bind together.
When a boom kakra, Mami 4 cedis.
Sobo.
Yeah.
What do you use it for?
Oh, here we drink it just like that. They said it's good for our health to boost the immune system.
So it's juice.
Yeah. That's the hibiscus flower.
Hibiscus flower.
So it's 4 cedis.
4 cedis.
Oh, sorry.
Can I?
It's hibiscus
So this is
flower.
what it looks like. There's a bigger version. There's these bigger ones and then there's the tiny ones. I don't know the difference.
Oh, that's the flowers that some are bigger, some are smaller.
All right. Okay. So 4 cedis.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This one is for 4
cedis.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. This is for 3 cedis.
3 cedis.
Oh, African Tigress. Yes. Today you're in my kitchen. And before we go and eat something heavier, I want to make some juice for you, okay? Alright. It's called sobolo. Sobolo. That's the hibiscus flower, tea or drink, anyhow. So you have this. We bought this one for 4 cedis. Okay. I think that was a kilo for 4 cedis. And you have ginger just for the flavor. You know, when you have the ginger in it, you can feel some freshness. Okay. You have pineapple. You will use this one. How do you say it in English?
The peel.
The peel.
Oh, you use the peel, not the pineapple itself?
No, I want to use the peel.
Awesome. Let's see how that goes.
It's very medicinal.
All right.
Yeah. So guys, African Tigress.
Yes.
First put our water on the fire, okay?
How do you measure the quantity of water?
You are in Ghana.
You measure with your eyes.
Oh yes. You are in Ghana. And this one is like homemade, so just do it like you want, you get me?
All right.
It's okay. So that we have time to wash the pineapple, the ginger.
All right.
So I'll use the peel of the pineapple. So I'll just have to but you can also use the fruit itself. Okay.
So are you going to, okay, let me watch.
Okay.
Instead of asking,
Oh,
I'll see.
Ask.
So are you going to blend the peels?
No, we will just put everything together in the water. We need the flavors.
Okay.
So later you can even have this after sweet after meals.
All right.
Yeah, you can even have it.
As your dessert.
The English show. So you know, I speak Italian, okay? So speaking English is very difficult for me. Very, very difficult. So yeah, we will use this one. We have also some ginger, okay?
All right.
So we have our pineapple peel. Now we are washing our ginger, okay?
Yep.
Any amounts that you want. Some people even add pepper.
Pepper?
Yeah, dried pepper.
Don't add that one today.
No. Just this one is okay. So I will not blend this one too, okay?
Okay.
The zobo, the hibiscus flower, we are not going to wash it. Some people wash it though.
Okay. Because when you wash it, it loses the color.
You see that thing? It seems like everything is gone. So yeah, we will not wash it. We will just use it. And we have different types of hibiscus flower. Some are bigger than this one. This one I think is the medium size. And even have the tiny size. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we are done with this one. Okay.
Hibiscus itself.
Yeah.
So the hibiscus itself is what is called sobolo.
Sobolo. Yes.
All right.
Sobolo. You have to add the lo.
Sobolo.
Or silo.
Silo.
Silo. So yeah, this is the sobolo. Okay. And sometimes the hibiscus flower itself is bitter.
Oh, that's why we add this.
Yeah, it's bitter. So you can have it, you can buy it from the market, but later when you cook it and drink it, you'll be like, oh, this tastes bad. It's not your fault, it's from the flour. Okay, when it's fresh, it doesn't taste really good. It should be dried and aged a little bit.
All right.
Yeah, so we add the pineapple to it. So this one is called abrobe. Abrobe in our language, tree.
So yeah. the pineapple itself or the pineapple peel?
No, the pineapple itself is called abrobe.
All right.
Yeah, so, and this is akakadro. The ginger.
Very long names. Akakadro.
So yeah, you just add and wait for it to boil.
How many minutes?
Oh, this one when it boils, you are done. When it boils, you are done.
Once it just starts boiling, that's it.
You can decide when you see that the color is okay for you. You are done.
All right, so let's wait for it to boil.
Okay. Yeah, it's ready. When it boils, I've lowered it because it was pouring out. Okay.
So it increases.
Yeah.
You can see it rising.
Yeah, you see when the fire is higher, it comes out. Okay, so I'll just have to lower it then. So you can cook it like 2 to 3 times.
What do you mean?
Like the flour, the hibiscus itself. It still has that thing that
it's still like you can still reboil it because it's not depleted.
Yes, this is just the first color. So the second one will be lighter than this. Okay. So the more you boil it, the more the color becomes
less reddish.
Yes. So it depends on you.
Now you sieve it.
Yeah, so that you don't have all these things. Hot.
Okay. Oh, so you can see it's very hot.
Yes, very, very hot. So
we're going to sieve it all and then we'll show you the next stage.
Yeah. Yes, so African tigers, we are done, okay? We are done sieving our sobolo. Okay?
Sobolo.
Yes, as I said earlier, you can add water to this one and recook it, okay? Because there are still some nutrients in it.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel the smell?
I can perceive the smell. I feel like drinking it already.
Yeah. So yeah, we are done with it. So we will cook it again, then later add it together. But now because it's hot in Ghana, we drink it cold.
All right.
Okay. It's hot, so you let it cool down. Then later put it in the fridge for it to be a little bit cold. Then you can add sugar right now. Okay, or you can wait for it to cool down.
All right.
Anyhow you want it.
Okay.
Do you like lots of sugar? I don't.
No, I don't like too much sugar.
Yeah, so we can add sugar. Then later you put it inside, or you can wait for it to cool down. Then
I think we put sugar right now. I feel like the heat will help
melt it fast.
Yes.
I'm coming. So African tigers. Now it's cool, and we have put some here. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to drink this one.
Did you put it in the fridge?
Oh yes. It's cold now.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So can't wait to test it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. I'll take this one.
All right. Time to taste it.
Yes. We are done. Thank you, mister.
Yes.
We are done. Okay, now you can pick any.
I'll pick the most.
Okay. I'll take this one.
All right.
Cheers. To long
Good
life
and to millions and billions of
of
subscribers.
subscribers.
And
Subscribe.
to many views.
Let's try it.
I can feel the pineapple.
And you can feel the ginger but from afar. But you can feel it is in it. Oh wow.
So thank you so much. Make sure you go check out her YouTube channel.
Tatiana Aina.
The link will be in the description. And until next time,
Bye
bye bye.
bye yo. Bye bye yo.
Because of Italy.